Hello, my name is Eric Oliver, and this is my reflection on my revision for Project 2. So as we go here is my Project 2. The video is here, and really the only revision that I was told I need to make is to maybe add some music to my video, because it is kind of a long instructional video. If you look here, actually, this is the video.
Hi everybody.
That's
My name
me,
is Eric Oliver.
but as you can tell, no music. And so adding music to the video in background has proven to be quite a challenge, actually. I initially tried to do it in my YouTube studio here with the editor. You do this by clicking on this plus icon here, and then it'll give you some free options to pick from the YouTube catalog, and you add it down here. And originally I had added several ones because my video was 12 minutes long and most of the clips were only 1.5 to 2 minutes. So I had added them in, and it was not really giving me the option to view it with those added in. So I went ahead and saved it. And then when I went to watch it again later, all you could hear was the audio tracks, and you couldn't hear my instructions or me talking at all. So I reverted back to the original and have since added another track to it and adjusted the volume to it. But now it's taking forever to process this video. I've refreshed several times, and still video being processed. Although it does have the audio track in there, it's proven to be quite a challenge to use the YouTube studio to add audio to a video. I think when I do it in the future, I may do it using Audacity. Audacity has a thing you can pull the audio track off of a video, add background music to it, and then put the audio back into the video. I don't really know how to do it, but I did see a YouTube video that was going to give instructions on how to do that. So I may do that in the future, because waiting for the processing and everything for the YouTube editor to do, since it's all online and not happening on your computer, is taking a very, very long time. So those are my reflections on my revision on adding music to my instructional video. It's been quite a bit more challenging than I thought it was going to be. Thanks so much.